Children, keep your videos on. Yeah. So the third question is on comparing the ratios. So in this chapter, what all we have studied, we saw that if there is an equation like this, that is, if there are two, what are these equations called? Pair of linear equations with two variables, correct? So this is a pair of linear equations with two variables. So each variable is having each variable has a degree of 1. Linear equation means degree is 1. Okay. And then we also know what will be the ratio, that is A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and
We've
C1
done
by
this.
C2. Yes, we have done this, just recalling everything once. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
So if they are equal, then the two equations, they represent a straight line which are intersecting each other, correct? If they are not equal, that is, if A1 by B1, sorry, if they are not equal, A1 by B1 is not equal to B1 by B2, then they are intersecting lines, correct? If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2, then they are coinciding lines. That is, one is sitting on the other line. And if they are not like A is, sorry, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2, then they are parallel lines, correct? So these things we have seen. Now the third question says, on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so the first pair is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. This is one equation. And the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So now we just have to compare the ratio of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2. Okay. Now, what does A1 by A2? 3 by 2. Correct? And B1 by B2 is 2 divided by minus 3. And C1 by C2 is 5 by 7. Now, are they equal? This is unequal. These are also not equal, correct? So if the ratios are not equal, then we have the table. Do you remember the table? Do you have it? Do you remember the table?
The pair of equations are consistent and they're like,
Yes. They
and they're
will,
with a unique solution.
yes, that table you should remember. Okay? Hmm?
So basically, this chapter we have to do with that table only.
Yes. If you remember the table, the whole chapter is easy for you. Hmm? So here they are consistent, correct? So this is
Yeah.
question number 3. Let us write in Roman letters. Okay. Next, the second one. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. And one more equation is 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Now, let us write the ratio A1 by A2, that is 2 by 4. And B1 by B2 is minus 3 divided by minus 6. And this is 8 by 9. Now see, 1 by 2, this becomes plus, again 1 by 2. This one we cannot simplify. So it becomes 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. But this is not equal to 8 by 9. Therefore, The
It is
solution,
not consistent.
it is
It's not
not
consistent.
consistent. It is
And
the
it
third
has
type.
no
Yes, and what will be the
solution.
how will the graphical representation be? Will it be coinciding lines, parallel lines, or they are intersecting lines? How are they? Smriti, you're logging in with another device. Okay. Graphical representation, can you tell? This is non-coinciding, non-consistent, sorry.
It'll be parallel because there's no solution.
Yes, they are parallel lines. The two equations will represent parallel lines. Okay. Here they have only asked you to write whether it is consistent or non-consistent. We will discuss everything in the table. Okay. We will just discuss that. We don't have to write anything. We will just see whether it will be having what is that? They are coincident lines, or they are parallel lines, or they are intersecting lines. That also we will tell. And how many solutions are there, that also we will check. Okay. By doing this, we will just memorize the table. Fine. Yeah. Next. So there are 5 equations like this. Can you do the rest of them? The 3?
Ma'am, I can directly say the answer.
Yeah,
Ma'am, the third one, it is consistent because A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
correct. So they are consistent. Next. Fourth one.
Fourth one, 5x minus. There are consistent with many solutions. I think
Infinite
infinite solution.
solutions. Infinite
Yeah.
solutions.
And then the
And
fifth one,
graphically, there will be coincident lines.
coincident. Yeah.
And the fifth one?
Same, it is coincident. It is consistent with many solutions, infinite
Yes.
solutions.
Yes, correct. Okay, fine. So we will go to question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is, which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So first of all, we have to check whether consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, then we have to give the solution graphically. Okay. So now the first one in this, x plus y is equal to 5. And the next equation is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now the ratios, a1 by a2, that will be equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is also equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is also equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. Correct? Now all the ratios are equal. So if all the ratios are equal, is it consistent or inconsistent? If all the ratios are equal, that is
It's consistent.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So therefore it is consistent.
Consistent and
Okay.
coincident.
Okay. So now if consistent, what we are supposed to do, we have to find the solution graphically. Okay. So to find the solution graphically, we have to write the given equation for y. So we have x plus y is equal to 5. So what will be y is equal to 5 minus x. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us write the coordinate points. So let us take values for x. Let us take it as 4, 3, 2. Now, if x is equal to 4, what will be the value of y? 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Correct? If x is equal to 3, 5 minus 3 will be 2. And graphically, can you estimate how are the lines? They are
They're like one line like this. Like this will
intersecting
be.
or
No,
coincident?
no, it'll be coincident. It'll be one
Coinc
line, ma'am,
yeah,
in the
coincident
graph.
lines. Correct. It is one line on the other line. Okay. And if it is x is equal to 2, then y will be equal to 3. Now, if you actually see the second equation, what they have given, if you divide the whole equation by 2, you will get the same value. Correct? It is same, right? So we can again just take 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 2x divided by 2. Okay. Now simply let us write the x and y. So since they are coincident, so we will take the same numbers. Okay, 4, 3, 2. So if you take 4, you will get 1. If you take 3, you will get 2. If you take 2, you will get 1. You'll get 3. Sorry. Now plot the graph. It's your job to plot the graph now. Should I show? No, no.
No, 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 no.
Okay, you plot the graph.
Ma'am, I did rough. Ma'am, can you see?
Finished plotting the graph? Shall we go to the next
Yes, ma'am.
question?
Sure.
Okay, so we'll go to the next question. So what is the next question? The equation is x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Now, A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is also equal to 1 by 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled here, children. So we'll directly write 1 by 3. Both are equal. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are equal. But what about C1 by C2?
They're not equal.
8 by
They'll be
16. So 8 by 16 is 1 by 2 we get. Correct? So that is
yeah.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. So this is
Parallel lines which are inconsistent in one
inconsistent.
solution.
Yes, you just have to write the equations are parallel to each other and have no solutions. Okay. Therefore, the linear pair is inconsistent. Okay. The linear pair is inconsistent. Fine. Next, we'll go to the third one. What is the third question? 2x plus y minus 6
Not
is
doing
equal to
that
0.
graphically
No, no need.
because it's on
They
inconsistent.
told only if it is consistent, you have to draw a graph.
Oh, okay, okay.
Only if it is consistent, you have to do the solution using graphical method. And the second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 you get. Whether it is equal or not equal, we will see. 1 by minus 2. So they are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, it is a consistent pair of linear equations. And the lines will be intersecting. Now we have to find the solution using graphical method. So for the graphical method, we will write y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Here, y is equal to, can you tell me? Directly. 4. Actually, it is minus 4 plus 4x divided by 2. Can you tell how? This is minus 2y. That minus sign, if you put this side, what will happen?
Okay.
Correct. Actually, it is like this. If you write directly, we will write minus 2y we will keep here is equal to 4 minus 4x. If you put the minus 2 this side, then it becomes like this. Correct? Yeah. Now, x and y coordinates. Can you find the x and y coordinates? Now again, you can take any value for x. Okay. So do that and plot the graph. I'll just make the room a little brighter.
Mom, I still didn't understand. Is this like a thing where we can just randomly? Oh, did mom go?
What? Which one you didn't
Oh,
understand?
okay.
You did not
I
understand
didn't
this
get.
one?
No, 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 no. Why do we randomly take x's value? I didn't get that one.
Yeah, we randomly take x value. It is because if you substitute the value for x, you will get the value for y. Okay. We have to take in such a way that we don't get any fractions. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm. Are people done?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh. So what values did you take for x and y?
I took for the first one, I took 432, and for the second one, I took 342.
Okay, 4, 3, 2. So you got what value for y?
I got -2, 0, and 2.
-2, 0, 2. Okay. And here
342.
x and y, you took 3, 4, 2. You got
462.
4, 6, 2. So see here, at this point it will intersect, correct?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, then next, one more question. This one you only solve by yourself.
Okay.
You have to tell whether it is consistent or non inconsistent, and then if it is consistent, you will have to plot the graph also.
Mom, it's inconsistent.
Then I'll give
4.0.
another one. So
This
it
is
is.
given by you. You're giving.
I'm sorry.
No, no, I'm telling the fourth one is inconsistent.
Yeah, it is inconsistent. Correct. So I'll give another one. Oh, that's finished. The
Yeah,
exercise
that's
gets
all.
over. Okay, the question number 4 gets over. So next is question number 5. Okay. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its 1 minute, hold on. Yeah, what I was telling. We'll read the question again. Wait. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So you have to find the dimensions of the garden. So what is given here? They have given that half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter. L value is given, correct? More than its width. 4 meter more than its width. Then it is 36. Then the perimeter will become 36. Find the dimensions. So now what we will do? So let us consider the width of the garden. Let's yes. So let width of the garden is equal to x and length is equal to y we have taken. Okay, understood? Now the condition given here is the length is 4 meter more than the width. Then we can write the equation as y, that is 1 minute. The actual condition given here is length. Length is y. It is 4 meter more than width. Correct? If width is x, then it is plus 4 meter. If you do, then that will be equal to length. Then how can we rewrite the equation? We can rewrite the equation like this. Y minus x is equal to 4. This will be your first equation. And then one more thing they have told.
How is it our first equation?
I'm
We
sorry.
should have only one. We should have only one variable in the left side, no? Or we can have both of them. I don't know.
If you are writing a linear equation, pair of linear equations of two variables, then the equation should be like this. Okay.
Okay.
This, we write it like this when we are doing graphical method or graphical
Oh,
solution. Why? Because linear equation means a line is represented using y is equal to mx plus c. This equation represents a straight line. So we have to write the linear equation like this in the form of mx plus c. Got it?
okay.
Now we are just writing the linear equation. So the linear equation will become, this is our linear equation. This is one equation. Now one more equation has to be there. Will you tell me what will be the other equation? The other equation will be x plus y is equal to 36. That is half of the perimeter. Now what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
Well, yeah.
2 into L plus B is the perimeter. Correct? Perimeter, if I take it P. Now they are telling half of the perimeter is 36. Correct? So half of the perimeter means divide by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So it will be only length plus breadth. So length plus breadth means x plus y will be equal to 36. That is what is told to us. This is the given condition. Understood, right? What happened, Harshit?
Me, nothing.
Okay. Now we have the two equations. Now can you tell me, this is linear equation 1 and this will be our linear equation number 2. Now can you tell me whether they are consistent or not? and compare the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2.
Ma'am, that wait, we have to put values and find it out no first.
First, what is asked? Sorry. You have to find the dimensions. So to find the dimensions, you have to find the solution graphically. That means you have to find the coordinate points. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm doing it. Ma'am, they're intersecting.
Sorry. They are intersecting. Okay.
Yeah. We
Graphical.
can in this also we can take x as any value, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, then yeah, it's intersecting.
Hmm.
I took values 20, 24, and 12 for the second equation, and for the first equation, I took 10, 12, and 20. So I
Okay.
got 20 upon 16 on both the sides. So I got it's intersecting.
Okay, good. What about you, Smriti and Shreya? Shreya, you're not answering today. No, video is also off. What's wrong? Shreya, are you there? Shreya, not able to hear you only. Yesterday you were playing dumb charades and today completely off. Hmm? Can't hear nor can't see you. Okay. Smriti, what about you? Did you get them coincident line? Intersecting lines?
For the first equation, I took
Hmm.
x is 1
Hmm.
and y will be 5.
Okay,
When
let
x
us
is
take
2,
1
y
minute.
will be
1 and 5, then
2 and 6.
2 and 6. Take one more.
And 3 and 7.
So if you take 3 here, it becomes 7 here. And this one? So for this, y is equal to what?
36
36
minus.
minus x.
For this, I took when x is 12, y is 24.
See, that's what I said. When you're taking the coordinate values, try to take similar. Here you have taken single digit and here you take double digit. They will not coincide only. Correct?
This one.
Take similar type of values, then it will coincide easily for you. That is the what is that knack behind taking the coordinate points, selecting the points for x.
Ma'am, after this also we have your class or
Yeah, it's physics
no?
class.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do the color thingy. Oh my god.
I had asked so many questions to you.
I
I had
couldn't
put
sleep, ma'am. I couldn't sleep. There was colors in my head.
So all the colors will get the reasons today. We'll see if all will get or few of them will get. Remote is with you.
Ma'am, we'll go to next question.
Yeah,
I'm done with that also.
very good. Okay, so what is the question? What is the question? Next one.
Should I read the whole thing?
I have it here.
Okay.
Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is question number 6. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting, parallel, and coincident lines. Okay. Hmm. So if they have to be intersecting lines, then the ratio A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. Correct? That is the condition for intersecting lines. So now we have to select a we have to write an equation in such a way that the ratio is not equal. Hmm? So let us take any equation from the above question somewhere, if you can get. What about this equation? 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0.
We have to do if we take another equation. We're just guessing right now, right?
If this is our another equation, then the ratio is not equal because see A1 by A2 will be 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, and this will not be equal to 3 divided by minus 4. Correct? That is 1 by 2 is not equal to 3 by minus 4. Correct. So the ratio is not equal, therefore they are intersecting lines. Now do the graphical method and then find whether they are intersecting or not. There are 3 questions here.
Yeah, parallel and coincident.
This is for intersecting lines I took. Okay. Then if I want the lines to be parallel, then all the ratios has to be equal. All the ratios has to be equal, and then for the next one, that is coincidence means what should happen? Oh, sorry. If they have to be parallel, A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, and that should not be equal to C1 by C2. That is for parallel. Correct? Parallel lines. Smriti is not
We can
understanding.
take this equation and the C1 by C2 something else.
Smriti is not understanding. Is it?
No, ma'am, in textbook I written it the opposite.
In the textbook, what is written?
Ma'am, I had written it
You
the
had written
opposite.
it opposite. Okay, okay.
I just-
Now no confusion, right?
No,
Okay, then fine. Go ahead.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
see here. I got equation 1 and 2. No, can you see?
Yes, yes, I can.
And now I am not getting any number what to take as x's value because I'm getting in fraction.
Yeah. Okay, now tell me your equations.
I got the first equation as y equal to 8
1 minute.
minus 2x.
First equation is?
Y equal to 8 minus 2x upon 3. Yeah.
Okay.
This,
And the second equation is?
y equal to 5 minus 4x upon 4.
4x?
Upon, no, 5 minus 4x upon 4. Yeah, upon 4.
It's correct. Okay, now you're not getting the value for x and y, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, so what all values did you take?
I tried
If I take
2, 3.
x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1,
It's not.
8 minus 2 is
6. Oh, yeah.
6 by 3, 2. You don't know tables then. Think about
I
the
know,
tables
ma'am.
properly.
I was just randomly taking some numbers. I forgot about
That's
one.
what I said. When you're taking the numbers randomly also, you should think and take. Okay? Then the next number, what can we take?
We can take
Okay.
7.
If I take x is equal to 2, will I get will I get, that
No,
is 2 twos are 4, 8 minus 4 is 4 again. So 4 by 3 is not possible. So let us
no,
take 8, x is 3. So 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8 is 2, not
no.
possible. 5,
4 also no. Yeah, 5 also no. Yeah, 5 also no.
10, 8 minus 10 is again minus 2, you'll get no. 7.
Yes, 7. Yes.
So if you take 7, what do you get? 7 twos are 14.
It'll be
So
6
8
upon
minus
3.
14, again 6 upon 3, you will get 2.
Yes.
So 7 and 2. Next, what about 9?
No.
18? No, not possible. Mm, 9 is not possible. How about 10? 8 minus 20 minus 8 is?
12. Oh, yeah.
So you can take 10. So if you take 10, it becomes
Minus 4.
minus 4. Correct. Yeah. Now for the other one also, try like this. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
So everyone did yoga at school today?
Yes. Our bus didn't come till 8:30 today. It
Hmm.
comes by 7:05 today. It came at 8:30.
Bus was also doing yoga.
Ma'am, what excuse they gave? Diesel was in there, it seems. And ma'am, our buses are not there. They're borrowing BMTC buses for our school.
Hmm. Okay. So finished?
No, I don't know what to put for X's value.
Again, same
I came
problem.
till 10. I came till 10. Oh, wait, I didn't do 9.
Okay. First, did you
No.
take 1?
Yes, I went till 9 or 10, I guess. I didn't do 8.
8 if you take 8 fours are
32 minus 5.
Huh?
27 upon 4. No.
Not possible.
10 also no. 11.
Hey. Okay, so we'll discuss this in the next class.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. By the time
Now,
I'll think some values for it.
hmm. So now I have to start the physics class. So I have to log out this and then log in again. You people rejoin, okay?
I'll join in 5 minutes.